Hello and welcome to this video, friends. I will show with you step by step how you can cancel Holo AI subscription. So if you want to cancel your Holo AI subscription, follow me in this video guide. This is the website. So if you have any premium subscription in Holo AI, if you have a premium, just go to your accounts, go to Holo setting. This is two steps. This is step 2. Then go to accounts. From the accounts, click on the subscription cancel. So just click on cancel the subscription and then confirm your cancellation. Basically, this is how you can do if you have a premium subscription. In this case, I don't have any premium. Just open your accounts and then go to your cancel subscription. Go to manage and then click cancel. Basically, it is easy steps to cancel Holo AI subscription. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. So you can use this support team. So from this fill the form for cancellation and then click cancelled. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. You can use the support team. This is support AI Holo to reach the support team if you have any problem about your